Do you create AI art and not know what to do with it? In this video, I'll be taking you through the entire process of creating unique AI art that you can sell online. This AI art can also be sold on products like t-shirts, phone cases, bottles, and more. This guide is sectioned into 3 parts. In the first part, we'll be creating AI art that is unique. In the second part, we'll be upscaling and prepping the AI art that we made. And in the third part, we'll be listing it on websites like Redbubble, Etsy, and Adobe Stock Images. So what is AI art and how can you get started with it? AI art is any artwork that's created through the use of text-to-image programs like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, or Midjourney. And for this tutorial, I'll be using Midjourney. If you're a complete beginner to Midjourney, check out my previous video in which I covered everything you need to know to get started with Midjourney. Now, before we jump into Midjourney itself, we need ourselves some inspiration. So let's go to Midjourney's community showcase section and scroll through it. Let's try to find keywords from art that you think might look cool on, say, a t-shirt. For me, it's going to be a picture of this fox. I love the whole aesthetic with the stars and the cyberpunk theme. I also love a lot of these stained glass art. Once you've gone through these designs, make sure to note down the keywords that interest you. Use your keywords as inspiration and create as many designs as you like. Before we proceed, it's important to note that commercial use is prohibited under Midjourney's terms of service. Therefore, to begin, you'll need one of their paid plans. I recommend starting with the basic plan, which costs around $10 and allows you to create up to 200 images. For those of you seeking a free alternative to Midjourney, I recommend checking out Leonardo AI, which is presently in its early access phase and is completely free to use. You can find a link to it down in the description. So let's go into Midjourney and experiment. To help you with your generations, here are 5 prompts with cheat codes that you can use to create some stunning results like these. Let me know down in the comments which style of art you like the most. If you've been enjoying this video until now, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Alright, so for this example, I'll be using the image of an abstract fox in the forest. I think it has a lot of details and would definitely look good on any merchandise. So now that we have the final version of our art, if we check the resolution of the image that Midjourney produces, it should be around 1000 pixels. But that's not enough resolution to upload to sites like Redbubble and Etsy. So here's a free website that'll upscale the image from Midjourney to up to 8 times. To generate the upscaled image, simply visit the website linked in the description. Then drag and drop the AI art onto the page. Keep the scale number at 8 and click submit. The process should be automatic and the image will be ready once generated. The noticeable improvement in sharpness and level of detail in the upscaled image brings us to the final section of this video, which is listing it on print-on-demand websites. There are numerous websites available for print-on-demand services, but for the purpose of this demonstration, I will be using Redbubble. Redbubble is a worldwide marketplace for print-on-demand, where designers can upload their artwork, and once a customer places an order, Redbubble prints the artwork on the selected product and delivers it directly to the customer. Let's visit the website and register for it by selecting the Artist Sign Up button and filling in your information. After submitting, click on the Add New Work button on the following page. From there, choose to upload your AI art, and while it's uploading, provide a descriptive title, some tags, and a brief description for your art. Once the details are filled out, you can then scroll down to preview how your design looks on various products. Feel free to adjust the image to fit perfectly on all the items you want to list it on. Additionally, you can also choose to disable printing on certain items. At the bottom of the page, select the Digital Art and Design and Illustration categories from the media options. Under this section for mature content, choose No. Then check the Terms and Conditions checkbox and finally click on the Save Work button. After previewing your design on all your selected items, proceed to fill in your shop details and payment information. Once these details are filled in, all you have to do is wait for your first sale. The process is very similar for other websites like Etsy and Adobe Stock Images as well. So to summarize what we did in this video, here are the 5 steps on how you can make money by listing your own AI art on websites like Etsy and Redbubble. Find inspiration by visiting the showcase section of Midjourney's website. Use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create AI art. Edit and upscale the resolution of your AI art to suit the website you will be uploading it in. Create an account on Redbubble or Etsy and list your AI art. And lastly, make sure you subscribe to TechBricks TV for more content like this, and I'll see you on the next one.